Okay, so now we are moving to the last two questions. Problem 5. You're a financial planner. Your client is a newly married couple and wants to buy a house for $100,000 right now. The interest recorded at the bank is 6% compounded monthly. The couple have agreed with the installment scheme of the house for 20 years. Help the couple calculate the monthly installments that the couple must pay and calculate the effective annual rate. From this problem, you can get the hint that the problem wants you to find the monthly installments. That basically means that the amortized loans that the problem wants is the fixed equal payments. Okay, so this is the data that you have. The price of the house or the loan that they want to take is $100,000. The interest rate is 6% compounded monthly, which basically means that 6% is yearly, but this interest rate is compounded monthly, and the T is 20 years. Okay, so you can find the installment per month by using the PV/IVA for present value of the annuity. Okay, so the present value itself is $100,000, which is the price of the house or the loan that they want to take, equals to installment per month multiplied by the PV/IVA or present value interest factor. And why you're using 6% divided by 12 and then to the power of 20 multiplied by 12. This is because the 6% is compounded monthly, so 6% needs to be divided by 12 to find the rate of the monthly interest rate, and then it is multiplied by 20 times 12, because this is the T period expressed in a month. Okay, so that's why the PV/IVA is like that. Okay, 100,000 equals to installment per month multiplied by 139.58 as the PV/IVA, and then you find the installment per month is 716.43 with the EA. Okay, so this is the amount of the installment per month that the couple needs to pay, and for the EAR or the effective annual rate is calculated by using this formula, and you find that the EAR is 6.17%, even though the interest rate is 6%, because it is compounded monthly, and it will result in the effective annual rate as much as 6.17%. So basically the couple pays the interest rate in annual basis is as much as 6.17%, even though it is written 6%, because the problem is in the compounding. Okay, now we are moving on to the problem 6. With an interest rate of 6.2% per year, what is the value on period T7 of the perpetual flow of payments $3,500 starting on period T15? Okay, so to find the answer of this problem, first we have to identify that the $3,500 is the cash flow, and the R is 6.2%. Okay, this is a perpetuity case, so you need to find first the present value of the perpetuity. Okay, the present value of the perpetuity is 56,451.61. Okay, dollars. Okay, don't forget that in the case of the annuity and the perpetuity, the present value that you find here is the present value one period before the cash flow starts. So because the cash flow starts in the T15, this is the present value of the cash flow in T14. Okay, meanwhile you want to find the present value at T7, so this present value needs to be discounted again to find the present value in the T7. Okay, and you need to treat this present value here in T14 as a lump sum. Okay, so you cannot use the perpetuity formula again to find the present value at T7, but you treat this as a lump sum, so you need to find the present value at T7 using the single cash flow formula. Okay, so present value here is $56,451.61 multiplied by the present value interest factor. The present value interest factor is this. Why to the power of 7? Because 7 is the difference between the t of the present value that we find here, because this is the present value of the t14 and the present value at t7. This is the difference between 14 and 7. So we find that the t is 7. Okay, and the interest rate is using the same r. And you find the present value at t7 for the cash flow of perpetuity that starts in T15 as much as $3,500 per year is $37,051.41. So this is the value of the perpetuity cash flow at T15 that starts at T15, but the present value is at the T7. Okay, so basically that's all for today's session. If you have any questions regarding the material, or if you find anything that you cannot understand well, please do ask your tutor. Thank you.